Mate, I want to show you something that I've done with, maybe I'll come on to that in a second. But I don't know if anyone else is having the same problem, but like, for example, if I want ChatGPT 5.1 to type out a URL, it just gives me like this weird it literally writes the URL in words. So for example, instead of typing slash, it will actually just give me the word slash, SLASH. And it's like, what are you doing here, mate? You know, why are we doing this? All right, so we want to preview this bad boy, preview the PS5 controller. It's trash, isn't it? It's total and utter trash. I mean, it's really good to see this because then you get to see, okay, Claude is the GOAT by far, isn't it? Look at Claude's beautiful PS5 controller, and then look at PS5 controller, right, from ChatGPT 5.1. It's just a joke. Jason says, your last live spelled out the web address, so weird. Yeah, that's probably why. Pepper says, I see a great future for Grok Imagine. Yeah, probably. Why did you make me do that, Pair Ranks, man? Why did you make me create this monstrosity on a live stream? Jason says, the only last option is Google Stitch for the design. Do you know what? That could be a good one, actually. A Sporter says any Chinese models that can do a great job creating a controller. Do you know what? In the background, I'll open up DeepSeek and see if we can create the same thing. All right. So we've got Stitch coding up the PS5 controller there. Then we're going to use DeepSeek, DeepSeek 3.2 as well. Actually, you know what I'm tempted to do is use Ernie. Ernie just came out with a new model recently. I don't know if you know Ernie by Badu, but you can basically choose. All right, and we'll try the same thing. So we're going to use 5.0 preview, which is a new model. All right, so we're using Ernie to try this as well, Chinese model that Sporters requested. And then if we have a look here, the PS5 controller is an amazing test, to be fair. Shout out to Pair Ranks for doing that. Imagine like you're trying to work and you're trying to present to your team, like, okay, the power of AI. And you're like, watch, guys, look, wait for this, guys. You've got to start using AI for your coding. And then you pull out Google Stitch and you say, create a PS5 controller in HTML. And it gives you back this in front of your whole team. How embarrassing would that be? So I think the only thing for coding right now is Claude 4.5 Sonnet. Let's go back to, if we have a look at Ernie and we ask for a PS5 controller, it just gives us this. It just generated an image. Or is that an image from the web? I think it's actually just created that image, but it's not very good, is it? All right. Let's go back to Claude. So Claude is still the GOAT.